Hi guys! For today's video, I'm going to do an evening cleaning routine and I hope you enjoy. So my evening usually starts around 5 o'clock or a few minutes after whenever me and Cass get home from work. I always put my keys away and then I get ready to put him down on the couch for cozy time. So usually while he is watching a movie, I'll start to clean up the living room and then I'll slowly move into a different room and work on that. So I'm the type of person who really can't do anything until I'm in comfy clothes and get my face washed. So I'm just heading into the bathroom to clean up that morning's mess and wash my face. So eventually I'll do a more in-depth skincare routine, but I'll just tell you what I'm doing here. So I'm pulling my hair back to get it out of my face, and then I'm gonna wash my face with baby soap. I find that it gets my makeup off the best and always leaves my skin feeling soft and doesn't break me out. And then here I'm just taking my Mary Kay makeup remover to just get any excess that the baby soap didn't get off previously. So now that I'm in comfy clothes, I can start on my cleaning. So we just moved to a different house, and through the move, our bed frame actually got broken, so it's off getting fixed right now. But here I'm just making the bed and cleaning up from that morning or from the night before. I usually just wait till the evening to get home to worry about it, because in the morning I like to take my time instead of rushing around trying to get everything done before we leave. So I'd actually received a package from Target in the mail that day, so I'm just opening that up and showing you what I got. I'm actually super excited about this because we're getting ready to go on a beach vacation, and I think this bag is super cute and super perfect. That pink keychain that you see is actually from Walmart, and so is this bathing suit top that I'm showing you. I'll feature all of this in a summer haul that I will be filming for you soon. So now I'm just putting away dirty dishes in the sink into the dishwasher and getting that going while my husband and son share a snack before dinner. So after I've gotten all of the counters and the stove wiped off, I usually like to get my coffee ready for the next morning. I've been loving iced coffee in the mornings, and how I do that is by using my French press. So I'll usually just fill it up with grounds at the bottom and then fill the rest of the way up with water, and I'll set it on my stove for overnight, and then when I wake up in the morning, my coffee is ready. I've been loving this lately. So at this time, my husband usually goes to take a shower, and I just relax with Cass on the couch until he gets out and we start to make dinner. So now's the time in the evening where I get Cass undressed and put his jammies on, and I feel like any toddler mom is going to relate to the situation that's happening right now. He's like a little monkey every time I have to change him and change his diaper. So I didn't film us making dinner because I figured it would be kind of boring, but usually after dinner's made, we'll just sit on the couch together and watch our favorite show. We have been loving Survivor lately. So usually after dinner, I'll just nurse Cass to sleep while we watch our show, and then once he's good enough sleep, we'll crawl into bed as well. I hope you guys enjoyed my nightly cleaning routine. If you did, please subscribe and like this video. Bye!